I'm Shashi Soni, Chairperson of Hughes Precision Manufacturing Private Limited and Padma Shri awardee for industry and trade. Very nearby, our Chief Minister Saab's birthday is coming, and what we should say about him. He is very energetic, resourceful, and helpful Chief Minister. I have seen. We have visited so many states: Karnataka, Maharashtra, Delhi. But since when I have come to Goa, since 6 years I am here, but seeing, working the Chief Minister Sahab Pramod Sawant, it is marvelous. And his way of working, his way of caring people is very different and uh, very impressive. And and he has won already two elections, decade, and now we not hope, we are praying that he should be taken chair for the third decade also. And all my best wishes, and my workers, my employees of the company, all are giving him the best wishes and best of health, best of future, best Chief Minister for the state and the country.